Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English with Apurva. In today's episode, we are going to practice real conversation. Let's listen to a fun and natural dialogue between two friends meeting at a cafe. Listen carefully, repeat the phrases, and try to speak with them. But before we start, if you haven't liked, shared, or subscribed yet, please do it now. Let's listen.
Hi Suvi, over here.
Hey Emily, there you are. I'm so happy to see you.
Me too, it's been a long time.
Yeah, almost 2 weeks.
That's too long.
We should meet more often.
Definitely.
How are you today?
I am good, thanks. I slept well and had a nice breakfast.
That's great. I didn't sleep much last night.
Oh no, why?
I watched a movie until midnight.
Oh, you and your movies.
I know, I love watching something before bed.
Are you tired right now?
A little, but coffee will fix that.
Same here, I need my morning coffee too.
Then let's go inside and get some.
Oh, it's busy today.
Yeah, lots of people here.
How about that table in the corner?
It's a bit dark there.
True. What about this one by the window?
Perfect. I love the light here.
And we can see the street. I like watching people walk by.
Me too. It's fun to guess where they are going.
Yeah, like that man. Maybe he's going to work or maybe he's late for a meeting.
Let's sit here. It's cozy and quiet.
Agreed. I like that spot.
Hello, what can I get you today?
Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?
Of course. And for you? I'd like an iced latte, please. Would you like anything to eat? Maybe a slice of chocolate cake.
I'll have a Burberry muffin, please.
Perfect. I will bring your order soon.
You always order an iced latte. Why?
I know you never change either.
It's my favorite. What about you?
I like trying new things, but cappuccino is my go-to.
I love the smells of coffee shops.
Me too. It feels warm and friendly, and there's always nice music.
Yeah, it makes me feel relaxed.
So, how is everything going?
Pretty good. I started a new hobby.
Oh, really? What is it?
Singing. I take a class every weekend.
That's amazing. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I love it. It helps me relax after work.
I want to try singing too, but I am not good at singing.
Well, you don't have to be good. It's good for fun.
True, maybe I will try one day.
What about you?
I started jogging in the park.
Really? How often do you go?
3 times a week. It's hard, but I feel great after.
Wow, that's impressive. I'm too lazy to run.
Well, I was lazy too at first, but now I enjoy it.
Maybe I should also give it a try. It's good for health.
Exactly. We could go together sometimes.
That would be fun, but don't run too fast.
Deal. We will go slowly.
So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I am going to visit my grandparents.
That's nice. How often do you see them?
About once a month. They live in a small town.
Do you like going there?
Yes, it's very peaceful. We eat together and talk a lot.
That sounds lovely.
What about you? Any weekend plans?
I might go to beach if the weather is nice.
That sounds perfect. Do you like swimming?
I do, but I mostly like walking by the water.
That's relaxing. Do you go alone or with friends?
Most of the times I go alone, sometimes with my cousin.
Nice. Maybe I will join you next time.
Sure, we can get the ice cream too.
Have you read any good books lately?
Yeah, I read a mystery novel last week.
Was it good?
It was exciting. I finished it in 2 days.
Wow, you are a fast reader.
I read every night before sleep. It helps me sleep.
I should try that. I usually watch video before bed.
Well, that's why you can't sleep early.
True, I need to change my habit. And that's it for today's episode, everyone.
Thanks for listening.
Practice this conversation with your friends. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Apurva. I will be back soon with more fun and easy English lessons. See you next time.